in that session, we also discussed we are having around 12 certifications, and each certifications will have their own individual training. And in for the individual certification, what are covered in our curriculum that we can discuss today. Okay, so yeah, this is the, I mean, in order to get some sort of um, authorization from the vendors, I mean, suppliers like Cisco, VMware, Avaya. So we just have our society registered, and even having the joint venture with the Appsat Academy and Sri Parvathiprakasheducational Service Society. Appsat Academy is just a business unit in Appsat LLP. It's not a separate company. Appsat Academy is a business unit in Appsat LLP. And Sri Parvati Prakash Educational Society is separate entity, and we both have having this joint venture, and the main slogan for this is educate, engage, and empower. And for this training, we have our pilot project as a digital marketing certification. So why we choose this? Because of the digital marketing have the vast number of opportunity to choose the career path for the students, and not only that, irrespective of their future job profile, they can have their second income by having this digital marketing courses. And this is the overall overview of the certification, and we are having around 12 certification like content marketing, authority site specialist, community marketing, artificial intelligence in digital marketing, social media marketing, search engine optimization marketing, digital marketing strategist, affiliate marketing, sales funnel marketing, email marketing, e-commerce marketing, and the last one, which is an optional one, is social media ad marketing. So why we are making the ad marketing is the optional? Because as a digital marketer, people should not ask their companies to provide some sort of, I mean, budget to run the ads. That is the not the role of the digital marketer. The digital marketer role is to give the company branding with using all other media of marketing. So that is the reason we are making that social media ad marketing as an optional one. And people are having ad marketers, they can run their campaign, and it's all about just running a campaign and having their budget and making the strategy. There is nothing much, because most of the time it's totally depends on the budget, how much the company is allocating. So it is better to, as a digital marketer, they should know about it, but they should use this one as the last, I mean, least priority. And going, I mean, these are the certification which is not in the sequence, and but the next slides we are having, those are in sequence. Okay, so the first site, I mean, the first certification we are having is authority site specialist training. In this site, we will teach the student how to influence the niche, how to niche in the sense, so a specific category people like pet lovers. Even in the pet lovers, you will find dogs, cats, and if you go for the traveling, yes, that is one category. I mean, we called it as a niche. And if you go for food, that is one niche. If you go for, even in the food, we have a couple of other things like vegetarian, non-veg, and vegan. So how, if you have the specific needs to target, then your reachability to those audience will increase. So that is the reason we need to identify the specific, I mean, niche, and then you need to target those audience. So how you target those audience? First, you need to build a website, and using that website, you have to write some blog post, page, I mean, you will have your own pages, like what are the things you are having about yourself, and other details about your work as a digital marketer. So the website is the center point of this digital marketing. Why? Because whatever you do, people or the audience or the leads or the customers will should land on your website. So the website is the main one. That's why we are providing the students with one website per year. The first year they will have one website to handle, second year they have two website to handle, and third year they should handle three websites, and each website can have two to three subdomains, and each subdomain can have act as a website. So they can write more number of blog posts, so they can have more number of niche, so they can plan like that. So why we are providing only in the beginning? Because if you give two websites to the beginner, it is very difficult to them to handle the website design, website planning, how much budget is included. I mean, the budget included in the sense when they want to work as a freelancer, they have to define all these things. We are providing all these things as part of the course, so that's why they no need to pay anything extra. But after this 3 years, how they want to plan their yearly budget, we will give that information in the first course itself. So, and then how they need to create a logo, they need to have their website, and then they need to add their logo to their website, and they can promote themselves. So how the branding will works, um, just I'm giving a basic idea. So every day they are posting one blog post, and that one is shared in all the social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, and from there the traffic will come to their website. So by having those links in the social media, they can have the link building, and we are providing around 1.5 lakhs backlinks. I mean, those are not verified. I mean in that 1.5 lakh backlinks, there might be some links which is having less domain rating and as a spam sites also. So they have to identify that. Because of the vast data, we are not able to segregate it, and just we are sending those information to our students. That will be given in the later stage of the classes. Currently, they are in website designing, and I mean they are supposed to start the content writing. Till the branding, I mean the branding is going to start. Website planning and designing is completed. And the link building, yes, we will share all the 1.5 lakhs um, backlinks. And for the monetization, we also tell them how to earn money by having the affiliate links. For example, as a freelancer, if they want to design a website to a customer, so they need to go get the budget and everything, and then what they have to do is they just go to any other web hosting service provider and register as a affiliate marketer and get that affiliation link and pay that one for their customer. You are already charging from your customer for that domain purchase, but when you are purchasing, you will also getting the second income, I mean the third income, as a affiliate marketer from the web hosting service provider. So those details is also mentioned. I mean the theory was done, only thing is the practical session is pending. And if you talk about the affiliate marketing, one more thing I need to mention is Amazon affiliate marketing. So if you open the Amazon website, you will find sponsored, small letters. Sponsored will be there in the each product. So that means someone has registered as a affiliate marketer, and then they have their generated an affiliate link for that particular product, and they are using on their website. So just an example, if you want to buy something, okay, so you just registered in affiliate, I mean Amazon affiliate um, member, and go to the product which you want to buy, generate an affiliate link, and add that link into your website. Okay, so you need to do this one using one PC, but don't purchase that product using the same PC which you generated your affiliate link. You have to go to the second PC or someone else mobile and just open your website, not the Amazon website. Just open your website, go to that link where it is, just click on that and make the payment. You will get your product, along with that you will get your commission. So you just making money on your own. But please be careful. You need to buy with different device, with different Wi-Fi or internet. If they find out you are using the same IP, they will block you as an affiliate marketer. So these are the things we already have discussed, uh, shared with the students which currently having the training session. So these are the information. Yes, each and every student who are enrolled, they will earn money by purchasing their own requirements. And content research, how you need to research. If you want to research, for example, coffee maker machine. Okay, so that is the keyword it is become. So using how that keyword ranking in the Google is the thing you need to have that content research. So once you identified what are the keywords which is making the highest search um, ranking, those keywords you have to use in your blog post and add some affiliate links and post it. So if you, I'm not saying it will become the highest, the toppest one in the Google search. No, it will take time. If you are sincere and if you are regular, it will take around 1 to 1.5 years to make your site in the top position of the Google. And yes, so you need to plan, track the content. So how you, so no duplicacy, because if you post one post with respect to coffee maker, you can't post another one with the same content. All you have to make is coffee maker with adding a brand of the coffee maker machine. Okay, so that will make a different post. And so that is one post. First thing, the coffee maker machine. Second thing, coffee maker machine with specific brand. Third one, the blog post. Third one, it will be comparison of 2 or 3 or 4 coffee maker machines. So within 1 week, 3 posts, you are done. That's like you need to plan and you need to track that one, whether we are going to do the right thing. Is if you are using any artificial intelligence, you should change the sentence formation and everything, and then you need to mention the changed sentences in the website, and then they have to post. Then only Google will identify, okay, this one is generated by human. Otherwise, they will mark it is a artificial intelligence generated, and they will give the least priority for your blog post. And automation, yes, we are providing plugins for automation as well, in order to make their day-to-day activities much easier and simple. So that's all about the authority site. And the second one we are having is content marketing. Again, if you see the first one, we already talked about the building, targeting the niche. So how you target and what is the content you are making and where you are posting, like blog post or post writing. Either you have to post in your own blogs, or you can have a guest blog poster. There are a lot of sites in internet who will allow you as a guest blog poster. So you can post over there. You can have your website link mentioned in that blog post. That will give a backlink for you, right? So that is blog posting. And video making, yes, YouTube is the known one in India, but there is another one called Rumble. Rumble is the highest money making video app in US. Their entire market is in US, not in India. And the more you post the content over there, the more money you will earn. So those things we will tell to the students. The podcast, so people say podcast and all, so it's very simple. You just prepare a two script, one script for A, one script for B person, and you have to make sure the script look like a discussion, not a uh, thesis. Okay, just make that script. You two person need to sit together, or you are in a call, anything, you should record that one and post that one in YouTube. That is the podcast. People might think, yeah, you are discussing, but in the back end, that is a script. Everything will works in YouTube. I mean, the podcast will work in this way. Everything is scripted. No, I mean, even if you see a lot of programs which is saying that, like what you say that Big Boss kind of thing, programs, everything is scripted, and they all know who is going to win in the beginning itself. So in the whatever you see in the television and everywhere, that is fully scripted. The same thing we are doing here, and you need to analysis how we are doing and what need to be improved. All these things we will teach in this certification. And the third one is affiliate marketing. Yeah, that's what I said. Sorry, before I said you need to have your affiliate marketing, as an affiliate marketer in Amazon, and generate one link and mention that link in your website and ask your friend to purchase it. Then you will get your money, I mean commission. So those things, how you need to generate the links, how you need to identify the product which is doing very good, what are the website which is having most of the affiliation markets, I mean the service providers. So you need to register as a publisher over there and then ask for the approval to the service provider. Um, and then once you got the approval, you can use those details and make the affiliation landing page. And then you will need to generate the lead, and once you generate the lead, then you have to use your email marketing and messaging marketing, sending them regarding the products. Once they are interested in your product, they will come on to your site and they will try to purchase it. Okay, so that is affiliation marketing. So once they purchase it, you will get your commission, and the service provider will get their commission. Here there will be three people. One is you as a publisher, one is the service provider who is the owner of the product or the service, another one is the platform service provider. If you say Clickbank is the uh, platform for getting affiliation markets. Okay, so the Clickbank is the platform provider, so they will take their money. The service, I mean the owner will take their money and you will get your money. Most of the time the platform provider will charge money from the owner, not from you as a affiliate marketer. So those information we will give, and we will also make sure that in the lead generation, how the automation will make their thing happy. If someone has registered in their lead, I mean there is a form in your website, someone landed on your page and he was interested in one of the product, and he said okay, he has given all his details. So the moment he given his details, you will get a mail and he will also get a mail. It's up to how you design the mail flow. You will get an email regarding their phone number, email address, and other details. So you can run the email marketing, and then you can pitch more number of product to him. So they will go to the product and they will buy. So that's how the affiliation marketing will work. And these are the things we will tell them, I mean we are providing to the students. And the fourth one is artificial intelligence in digital marketing. So how you need to define your clients, and how you need to define your product, and you need to define your brand. You will get more number of ideas if you are using chat gpt, mid journey, and other scalable platforms. Okay, so you can have the research, market research based on the prompts. So you can have the landing page data. You can have everything from the artificial intelligence. The only thing you need to make sure, change the sentence. Then your work will look like a human generated, not the machine generated. And you can have email templates generated using the AI. You can have sales funnel generated using AI. Even most of the sales funnel plugins is now having the automation. The moment they buy one thing, you will get the notification, and they will also get the notification. And after one day, they will get one more mail regarding another product. So how that one will happen? That will happen with the automation. So automation now taking a lot in digital marketing, and it will reducing the amount of time you're spending on targeting your audience and other things. So here how you do it everything because of this prompt engineering. Prompt engineering, we are having around 500 to 600 articles regarding the prompt engineering in AI. Using those details, you can generate. We will tell you how to use that prompt and get the exact keyword and get the, I mean, desired niche, and get the data which is searchable more in Google. So all this information we will get it from AI. So those information we will teach them how to do it, everything. And that is the fourth one. So these are the four for the first year. So authority site, which is happening by December 15th, I mean, it will complete. By by March 29, we will finish all these four certification. And first week of April, there will be interviews for internship. And whoever enroll in this program, they are eligible for internship, but they have to clear the interview. If they are not clearing the interview, we can't do anything. Then they have to work for free. But even then, yes, we are making sure that they will get all the things. And for in order to train them for the internship, we just introduced one program called Blogger Requirement, which is coming maybe by December end or by Jan 1st. So we will hire our own student and train them how to write a blog post by taking one of the site as a reference, and we will pay them. So that will help them, I mean, that will be an encouragement to them to learn more and ready for the internship. So that program is scheduled for Jan, and the back end process will start by mid December. And in the second year, the first thing we will go for the community marketing. In the community marketing, how the community marketing will works. Okay, so if you are using if you are using a Android phone, there are a lot of communities with respect to the Android phone. And if you go and join in those communities, they will post their problems, and someone will post their I mean, the issue, how to resolve that issue, problem and solution. You can discuss with more number of audience as a community, and you can resolve your own problem. So that is all about the community marketing. So in order to get that kind of system under you, how you need to start, how you need to manage, how you need to grow, those details we will tell to our students to get a good community with more number of audience. So here there is one more catch. You will have more number of people um, joined in your community, but most of the people are dead users. They will not use that one. They just registered for their problem when they are facing it. After that, they don't bother to um, go and see the content in that community. For them, how you need to get them to be activated. So that's go for the optimization and engagements, content and engagement. So that's how you need to check. Here also there are a lot of automation tools and metrics you need to implement for this, and these information also we will tell for the second year first training, first certification. And the sixth one is social media marketing. Social media marketing means you have to register your domain. I mean, the student has to register in most number of the social media, and then they need to add their domain. That if you say about LinkedIn, in the LinkedIn you can see people can add a page, LinkedIn page. So you can add your own domain there, and you can start posting your blog post and share there. And the main concept of LinkedIn is also same. They want people write their articles or post or anything on regular basis, then the LinkedIn will give you more number of traffic. The the LinkedIn backend algorithm concept is the same, and we are also doing the same. So we need to set all these parameters in order to increase the number of audience. If you talk about LinkedIn, you can have your product. You got one affiliation market link and you created one photo. You just upload that one in the LinkedIn product place and mention I'm just a publisher, and then give all the links over there. Then you need to submit to the LinkedIn. Sometimes they reject, but most of the time they will accept your product, and you will have your affiliation link product in LinkedIn also, same as the Facebook marketplace. You can post your LinkedIn, I mean, you can post your affiliation link product in Facebook marketplace, and if someone buy, you will get the commission. So likewise, no use of any budget for posting the ads. The main disadvantage is if you are having the ads by using some budget, people will only remember when you are running the ads. When you stop running the ads, after some time, no one will remember what is this company, what is this their product, everything they will forget. So that is the reason we don't recommend that ad for digital marketers. And the another one is e-commerce. You got your affiliation link, you will have your own e-commerce site, and you prepared the product. You will have the link, because the affiliation link will also give the gateway configuration that is done by the service product owner. So once you will have your e-commerce website, even in this e-commerce website, if you have some sort of audience over there, for example, you are the audience for your own e-commerce website, like you want to generate one affiliate link for the Amazon product, and you added that one in your e-commerce site. You ask your father or your wife or husband to make the payment, and they make the payment, you will get the commission. So you can use your e-commerce website for that, and you can make the income while you purchasing your own product. Apart from that, if someone else coming to that website and you have they have purchased any product from your site, you can recommend them based on their purchase, based on their search, based on their interest. So you are registering, you are taking the data what they are using, and you are making the analysis of the data, and then you are recommended the products to the users. So those are things will come under the automation of e-commerce. There are a lot of plugins we have we will use those plugins to recommend your customer more number of products in your e-commerce. And in the beginning, you need to have the giveaway promotion. If you remember, we are providing lot of other services like WhatsApp marketing, domain name, web hosting and web design to the school and colleges, which are allowing us to have some sort of revenue generation. That is a giveaway. We are giving for a free because that is a promotion, and later we can convert that one into a sales, then you will generate a money for that. And you need to you have to use those email address and other details for sending the email promotion. So how the email promotion will work, each product you should have a predefined template of for the email template, so so that you can start the bulk emailing and then generate, I mean, and then get that one to be delivered to your customer and audience. You can also identify what are the mails are delivered, what are the mails are not delivered, and what are the mails are open. If the person is open your email, you will get one notification along with their email address. If the person is click on the link which is shared in the email, you will get one more notification that this person has clicked this link in that email. So that will give you this is data. You need to analyze those data, and you need to re-strategize to send your emails to that particular person to get more purchasing. So that's how e-commerce will work, and this will include sales funnel, because if if the person is coming to your site and purchasing, then you are pitching one more product, that is sales funnel. And once the person is purchased, you will have their details, and then you need to send other products which is there in your e-commerce site, and they will, if they are interested, they will go and purchase that one. And if some audience will not respond to your emails, for them you need to remarketing, I mean, you need to send a product which is very close to the product which they are purchased or which they are search for. Then there is a possibility of them purchasing that product. So those kind of things we will teach in sales funnel, and how to get the lead management, how to um, retarget the audience with the new product. And most of the time you are using automation. So that is the second year classes. And for the third year, we will have email marketing. So how you need to build your email list, how from where you need to get it, how you can use the LinkedIn for getting an email, how you are using the Facebook, Instagram for getting the emails, and strategize your email marketing plan. And based on, I mean, make a plan for the calendar, send emails based on the date, because if you send your first email today, then at least you have to wait for 2 to 3 days in normal email marketing. But if you are doing for a professional one, then you have to wait at least 1 week. So if you send a first email on Monday, then the second email will go on the next week Monday. So likewise, you need to plan your calendar, and each email should not same. Each email will get a different product, and you're um, marketing your own different products to the audience. How to write, how to go for the email campaign, and how to write and design a email, those things we will teach them. And we will also providing them with bulk email marketing um, plugins. But we are not allowing them to use in a bulk, because that will comes under the compliance. If anyone, any student or anyone, our customers is breaching the compliance, then we will stop their services with immediate effect, because that is the compliance we need to follow from the local authorities. So if we receive one complaint, then yes, we will take this action to them. So we are giving all the details, but we are make sure they are not sending more than 10 to 15 emails in order to avoid the compliance breach. And all these things will have the specific tools, and that tools will also come with automation. So that is the first certification in the third year. And the SEO marketing, so they have to identify the the SEO of a single page. If you have a competitor, they can go on, they can use their page link and search. We will have some free tools which is available in online. They can use those tools and analyze the competitor page and get the more number of details like keyword and tags and the data, how many, what are the links, everything, and the rank of the page, everything. You will get those details by using other free tools available on internet. And then you can re-strategize your own page in your website, and you can target the same audience. How you need to do and what are the things you need to take care in order to make sure you are doing the best, those things we will explain them. And we will also explain them how to use Google Business, Google Analytics, Google Tags, all these plugins which we will, it is available in WordPress, that is also free, that is provided by Google itself. They have to use their Gmail, no need to pay anything, and they can verify their, I mean, their website progress, how much it is going good, where they need to check, where they need to consider to change something. All these details we will tell them in SEO marketing. And then this is the main certification for this entire course, digital marketing strategist specialist. So whatever you learn till now, you will use everything in this one single certification. So even we will provide everything. Tools will be provided by Appsat LLP itself. And yes, there is a limitation to use the tool in order to make the compliance on force. But yes, we are providing them to all the students. And once they've done all the 10 certification previously, if they are good, then they will do it very easily using this certification strategy. So this is the main one. So in order to plan their career as a digital marketer manager. And the last one is the optional one. um, that's what I told, right? These are the ads which we are using. I mean, you are asking money from your employer, and using those money you are running the campaign. You need to identify where it is not doing well, then you need to recampaign that one. And then you can do the marketing using these techniques. This, as a digital marketer, they should know about this. That's the reason we mentioned this one in this training session. Otherwise, this they should use this one as a least priority. So that's all about the training session.